my friends, you know how when you're craving something and you want to cook it, and you go to the fridge, and you go through and you're like, yep, I got everything I need. Well, this morning, I'm craving breakfast tacos. And so I have my homemade refried beans, chorizo, eggs, onions, sour cream, tortillas, but I don't have any salsa. So I'm going to make salsa this morning so that I can eat the breakfast tacos. And I'm hoping that you guys will go ahead and join me. Let's make some quick salsa, and then we'll jump in and make some breakfast tacos this morning. Buenos días, mis amigos. Es hora de desayuno para mí, de cenar para mí. Y tengo antojo de tacos para el desayuno. Pero tengo malas noticias. No tengo salsa. Qué lástima para mí. Entonces, quiero hacer un poco de salsa conmigo. ¿Sí? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this salsa. So we have a good salsa that we can use with any dish. I'm making it today so I can go ahead and eat breakfast tacos. Well, let's get started. So we're going to use tomatoes, onion, lemon, garlic, jalapenos, cilantro, avocado if you want. Okay? So to begin with, I'm going to use my skillet to grill the tomatoes and onions and jalapenos. Throw a few on here. Of course, we're going to cook them and turn them until they get nice and toasty grilled. And I don't know how spicy you guys like your jalapeno, your salsa, so you choose how many jalapenos you're going to put on. And put 3. And go ahead and put some. Well, I have sliced onions, guys, to put on. But I'm going to wait till the tomatoes and the jalapenos get more grilled before I put my onions on to grill. So for now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to watch them, turn them, get them all nice and grilled, a little soft. And then we'll throw the onions on and let them get a little grilled, and then we'll start working with the blender. Okay? So I'm going to check back in with you all. Start your tomatoes, jalapenos, garlic, get them all nice and toasty, and then we'll take it to the next level. Alright everyone, my tomatoes and jalapenos and garlic are getting nice and grilled. The skins are starting to split. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put on the onions and get them grilling too. You hear it sizzling? Are yours sizzling? Are yours about the same way mine are? And then, once you get your onions on, I don't know how much you guys are going to add. It's up to you. How much onion and tomato and jalapeno you add. We're just making a good go-to salsa for anything you want. So while the onions are grilling, I'm going to go ahead and start working on removing the skins off the tomatoes. And that's your preference. Some people do, some people don't. And with the jalapenos, I'm going to go ahead and start working on removing mine while my onions are grilling. You guys do you, and I'll see you back in a few minutes. I'm back. Okay, so we've got our tomatoes done, the onions are done, the jalapenos are done. My tomatoes are naked. Here's their skins. And I scraped the jalapenos also and took off some of the skin. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put all the tomatoes in the blender. I was going to say liquid water. I'm going to put them in the blender and do the tomatoes completely till they're really liquefied. And then we'll pulsate the jalapenos and onions in and add our seasonings. Did you guys make a lot too? You gotta make salsa, you gotta make a lot. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, guys. I'm gonna liquefy it and then we'll come back and pulsate the rest in, okay? See you in a minute. Alright, look how beautiful those homemade clothes are, everyone. Okay, so next I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of the Mexican oregano. And I put them in there. Oh, don't forget my garlic. Fresh garlic. But how many jalapenos you think you want? And your onions. However many you think you want. That means filling. Okay, and squirt some lemon in there. My lemon squeezer makes life easier. Okay, so just pulsate this on and off, quick and short little taps until you get it choppy. Unless you want it all liquidy, then run it, till it's liquefied. But I'm going to have mine a little chunky. Like that. Just keep doing that until you see the consistency you want. All right. So I've got the tomatoes done. This is when you taste it, and if you want more salt or more oregano or lemon, then go ahead and add it, okay? So I'm going to put half in here, and half in here. And I already tasted mine, you guys. It needs a little more salt because I think half of it's stuck into my bowl. Gosh. Okay, I'm going to put a little more salt in. And then stir that up. It's all about your preference. You like it lemony, you like more oregano, you like more salt. You tweak it how you like it. So I'm going to leave one without, but I like avocado in it sometimes. So I just chopped it up really nice and small. I'm going to do one with avocado. Whoop. Jumping avocado. Jumping bean, huh? I'm going to stir this up, and I'm going to put fresh cilantro in both, though. I don't want to put it in the blender because it like turns it green sometimes, I mean, if you're making green salsa, great. But if you want it to look pretty, then just fold in your fresh cilantro, add any more seasonings you want. And then this one's got the avocado in it. And I'm getting so hungry, you guys. Yours look yummy. See? 2 great go-to salsa recipes for a chip and salsa movie night, eat with breakfast tacos, anything your heart desires. There we go. We are done. Done with the salsa. Good job, everyone. See you next video.